the lion and the talking drum. The beat that united the jungle. Leo the lion, the respected but proud king of the jungle. Tina the turtle, a wise and gentle creature known for her rhythmic drumming. Milo the monkey, a playful and curious character who loves to dance. Ellie the elephant, a strong and kind-hearted elephant with a powerful trumpet. Zara the zebra, a swift and graceful zebra who loves to sing. Upbeat, rhythmic drumming fills the air as the jungle awakens. Various animals are seen moving to the beat, creating a lively and harmonious atmosphere. In the heart of the jungle, a special rhythm brought all creatures together. This beat came from Tina the turtle's magical talking drum. Leo, the lion, lounges on his throne, observing the joyful animals dancing and playing together. Leo, with a proud tone. Look at my kingdom, so full of life and harmony. But as king, I should be the one leading this unity.